In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website by adding a dynamic and interactive gallery, complete with a filter bar, all while beautifully connecting your tags and categories. This simple yet effective enhancement can remarkably improve your site's user experience, allowing visitors to easily navigate through your content to find exactly what they're interested in. Let's dive into the process, breaking it down into comprehensive, actionable steps that you can follow effortlessly. To begin, we want to make sure our gallery is set up correctly on your page. This will serve as the heart of our visual content, a place where your images or items are displayed for your audience. Navigate to your site's dashboard and locate the section where you can add new features or content. Depending on your platform, this might appear under Settings, Plugins, or perhaps as a dedicated Gallery tab. Here you'll find the option to add a gallery. Click on that and start by choosing the items you wish to include. Think about selecting images or files that not only showcase your best work, but also relate meaningfully to one another, as this will enhance the utility of the filter bar we'll soon be adding. With your gallery in place, let's move on to enabling the filter bar. This feature is crucial for allowing visitors to sift through your gallery efficiently. Go back to the settings of your gallery and look for an option that mentions filters or similar terminology. Once you find it, enable this feature. A filter bar lets users sort content, typically based on parameters like tags, categories, or specific attributes you've defined. This functionality not only improves navigation, but can also keep visitors engaged for longer periods, increasing the chances they'll stick around. Now let's connect your gallery to use tags and categories effectively. The connection between these elements is essential as it informs the filter bar which parameters to recognize and utilize. In the same settings area, you should find an option to associate tags or categories with your gallery items. Ensure that each item in your gallery is tagged or categorized according to the filters you plan to implement. This connection means, for example, that a visitor interested in a specific topic can quickly find all related content, making their experience both enjoyable and efficient. Lastly, it's time to share your hard work with the world. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Publish button. This action finalizes all changes and makes your gallery with its new filter bar live on your site. Remember, you can still adjust and refine your tags, categories, and even the content of your gallery at any time if you feel the need to refresh or update your offerings.